So here's my little Oklahoma Joe grill. Temperature is right at 225. Chimney is half open. Side chimney fully open. I'm using honey garlic barbecue rub by Fire and Smoke. And I am making beef back ribs, and I've been cooking them for approximately 1 hour, and I am telling you, these are the best that you will ever have if you cook them at the temperature setting that I just said. With this rub, I have the tray dropped to the very lowest position. As you can see, I just opened it and the flame is starting to rise, which is great. I keep it covered and I keep them cooking for about 1 hour, 30 minutes at that temperature. And you will have probably the best ribs that you ever had, period. Everybody spends so many hours trying to prepare them with mustard and rub and whatever it is that they try to do, and this is all it takes. All you need is a good little grill that can maintain the heat. And I love Oklahoma Joe. I use them exclusively. I also have my smoker right here, which is all covered up, but that's my barrel smoker. And I have another video that shows how well it makes the brisket. If you Google Stephen Mamo, you will find the best rib recipe that you ever had. I use my KitchenAid grill for grilling steaks or something fast, hamburgers and things like that. And this too is an amazing grill. I bought this about 6 months ago, and probably one of the best gas grills I've owned. So back to my ribs. And I keep this covered with an Oklahoma Joe cover because it sits out here 24/7. Keeps it nice and tight and dry. As you can see, it's in super good condition. And let's take another look at them. If you could smell these, they will be tasting as good as they smell. And there you have it.